Okay, 2009 Thomas C2 with an ISB. You can do a parked regen. So connect the ECM. And connect. So now you want to go into the ECM diagnostic test, and we want to pick after treatment diesel particulate filter regeneration. Now to next. And the engine's up to temperature. Anything's hunky-dory here. And this pretty basic start. Okay, we got a ECM detects a condition in which the test cannot be run. Please select health. Okay, I'll go into help. Check it out. So what happened if it's in high idle? So we'll go in. It's only running about 1,000 RPM. In high idle, it won't kick in. So the initial conditions: the engine running at idle, vehicle stopped. So let's try it again. It'll go in this time. Got some prerequisites: safety precautions, safe location, and so on. It's gonna get hot, so they just want stay away from the exhaust. Pretty basic. And there she goes, and you can run soot load status. It's going to show injector status, outlet temperature, intake temperature, the DOC, on the inlet side, and after treatment active. So we'll leave it running right around half an hour and come back and check it out. So we got a USB connection on the bottom. Here's the connections at the bottom. Inline 6 adapter USB. Auto detect. There's the adapter and the 9-pin connection under the dash. It's pretty easy. It's a PM thing. A bunch of drivers, they smell extra kind of burning oil smell. So on this particular bus, it's handicapped, special needs. And they're doing this left stop and go, so we gotta do extra regens on it. And it should be done in about 30 minutes or so.